So welcome to our next topic. We'll be covering today production order confirmation. Okay. So the topics we'll be covering in production order confirmation is you will understand what is production order confirmation. Okay. What are the different confirmation procedures available for the production orders? Okay. Various transactions used for the confirmation of production orders. To confirm the production order, what requirements, what prerequisites you need to have it in the system, and then what are the different when you confirm the production order, what effects you will have it in the system. Okay, along that, what are the control parameters for the confirmation of production orders. Okay, so uh, what is production order confirmation? A confirmation documents the processing status of orders, operations, and individual capacities. Okay, it is an instrument for controlling the orders. So after completion of production activity, the users will come to the system and they will be entering the what quantity they produced, like what is the yield output, what is a scrap, that is nothing but what your loss. When you do production, you will be having some loss. So that loss you call it as a scrap. So that they will enter, and if at all they want to do some rework, they will be entering the quantity of rework and how much work they have done actually. It means what is the timings, like what was your start time, what was your end time, date and time, all those things they will enter. So the actual shop floor relevant data they will be entering through this confirmation. Normally it is recommended to do the confirmation activity immediately after completion of an operation, so that your actual shop floor status and the status in SAP are in sync. Okay, so that's why it's recommended exactly confirmation shortly. You are supposed to do confirmation shortly after completion of an operation. Okay, so it is so that you have the realistic production status in the SAP system. So that is what the confirmation. Okay, so I'll write down the flow again, which we are the production order flow. So first you have the production order creation. This already we discussed. Okay, then we carried out availability check. Then what we did production order release. This is the life cycle. Is the life cycle of a production order release, which we discussed in the last class. Then the one is goods issue. Then the next step will be the confirmation. Production order confirmation. Okay, and then it comes your goods receipt. Okay, so this is the the process flow. So we are yesterday in the last class we completed till this part, till goods issue. Okay, so once the goods issue is done, production people will take the required materials from the warehouse. They come to the production floor and they will start the production activity. And once the production activity is done, they will be confirming the production. That means they will be entering all the shop floor data in the system. Okay, like what is the yield, what is output, what is a scrap, what is a loss, all those things they will be entering in the production. Now to confirm the production order in the system, there are various methods are there. Okay, so there are various methods are there. Okay, so you confirm the order like at header level, or you can confirm by each and every operation one after the other. That options are there. Okay, and you are what do you say? You can confirm manually each and every order, or you can upload from some other external system. That is also possible. Okay, so ultimately when you confirm the production order, so the data will get updated in the production order. Your capacity requirements also get affected. It will create a material document. Okay, if your PP module is integrated with HR module, then the data in HR module also get updated, and all your actual costs, actual data, everything will get updated in the production order. So these are the effects will be taking place in the production order. Anyhow, we'll see these details when we see the confirmation. Okay, So now what are the different confirmation types are available in the system? Okay, so the confirmation types is, you can confirm the entire order, you can confirm the entire order, or you can confirm the operations. You can confirm the operation one after the other, and you can do the milestone confirmation also. So these things we'll discuss in the system now. So you can confirm the entire order at one shot, or you can confirm each and every operation one after the other, or there is another special type of operation is there, confirmation is there, which is called milestone confirmation. So these are the three confirmation types available. And when you're confirming, you can confirm with a status called partial and final confirmation. Okay, so final confirmation is also available. Okay, so these things we'll see it in the system. Okay, so first thing is order header confirmation. Okay, so order header confirmation. So now log on to the system. Okay, okay, so I'll take one of the one which we are using yesterday. Okay, we were using this 2094, I think. Let me check once. LT04. Okay, 2094. Okay, so this is the one we are using in our class. So this product will take. There are already a lot of production orders are there. Okay, now the prerequisite to confirm a production order, the prerequisite for the confirmation of production order is order should be released mode. Order should be released. If the order is not released, you cannot confirm it. Okay, to release the if you want to confirm the order should be released mode, which we discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so let's start with the confirmation. So first one is the order header confirmation. So let us take the existing order. Okay, so let me go to the another transaction. Okay, so the transaction, the path is logistics, production, shop floor control, confirmation, enter order. The transaction code is CO15. You will be confirming it through CO15. Okay, so the transaction is CO15. Okay, so here you enter your order number, enter production order confirmation, enter. Okay, so you will be getting this screen. This is the order number. System will pick all the data from the system, will read the data from the order, production order, and it will propose you the data. Okay, so here is the product and here your planned quantity. Okay, so now what you want to you will be entering the actual shop floor data. Let's say after the completion of production, I got a yield of 245 pieces. There is a 5 pieces of scrap. Okay, so that yield you will enter here, actual yield. It will propose the planned quantity and you will be entering the actual output, and then you confirm the scrap. So your scrap is 5. That means 5 is waste. And if you want, among these 5, if you are doing any rework, you can enter that rework quantity over here. Okay, and if your HR module is in place, then you can enter the personal number who worked on this particular product. You can enter that particular person HR ID, and you will be here, you will be entering the actual start time and actual end time. You will be entering the data over here. Okay, it will propose the planned date and time. Accordingly, you will be entering the actual date and time. Okay, as of now, I am not entering anything. Now you can enter some confirmation text. Less yield. You can write some remarks kind of things. Less output due to machine failure or something. You can write whatever you want. Okay, so like this you will enter the shop floor data. Okay, now once all the data has been entered, you will be selecting your confirmation, final confirmation. That means you are finally confirming the product. Final confirmation. That means your production has been done. Entire activity has been done. Sometimes what happens is you will be doing the partial confirmation. When you do this partial confirmation, means suppose let's say you are producing 250 kg, 250 kg. Today you started production. So today you 250 pieces. Sorry, 250 pieces. Okay. So today you started it, and by the time the end of the day you produced only 100 pieces. Okay. Now tomorrow you come again and you will restart the production again. Remaining quantity you will be producing tomorrow. So today up to 100 only you produced. So this 100 you will enter in the system with partial confirmation. That means your production activity has not yet been completed. So those kind of scenarios you will be doing the partial confirmation. Next day you will come, you will do the confirmation again with the remaining quantity, and you will use the status final confirmation. So that is the difference between partial confirmation and final confirmation. This we will discuss clear reservation, auto final confirmation when we go to the goods receipt. Okay, so that we will be discussing when we go to the goods receipt. So now as of now I'm selecting final confirmation. Here we enter the output, final output, we enter the scrap, and you can enter the all the relevant exact start date, start time, everything you can enter, start end date, end time, everything you can enter. And once all the data has been entered, you will be saving the confirmation. Okay, so some finance settings are not there, so that's why you are getting some errors. That's okay, continue. Okay, not a problem. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll
Mr. Eric, can you go and speak for Mr.
wait,
Eric?
wait. So let me create one more order. I'm not sure for old orders how it will work. Okay, let me create one more order. CO01. What is the material? 2094. 2094. Okay, I'm checking the material availability. All materials are available. I'm releasing the production order. I'm saving it. Okay, so order is saved. Let us take the order. Now let me go to the confirmation CO15. Enter the order number. Yes, output due to machine failure. Enter. Now Okay, we'll use it another system.
No. One component is component pricing is missing.
Okay, we'll take this product. Let us see the MD04 situation. Okay, so for this one, we will create a production order and we'll confirm it. Okay, just so this is the order number. So now we'll confirm this order. CO15, enter. Okay, so you enter here the actual yield. Let's say the actual yield is 98 kg, scrap is 2, and you can enter other data. Okay, and then once all done, all the data is entered. As of now, I'm selecting final confirmation. That means production activity has been done. So you save it. Okay, not a problem. No. Okay. Terminate. Wait. One more time will do.
Your location is missing.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We'll do that later. Okay. So I'm confirming again. So your order confirmation is saved. Okay. Your order confirm. When you confirm the order, the order status will become changed to, if you go to the order, order status will get changed to CNF. Order status will get changed to confirmed. CNF. That means it is confirmed. It is confirmed. So when you confirm the order at header level, all operations will get confirmed. All operations within the order, all operations will get confirmed automatically. Will get confirmed automatically. Okay, so when you confirm it, if you go to the operations, see, all operations got confirmed automatically. Are you able to see? They got confirmed automatically. Okay, so that's what you need to understand. When you confirm at header level, all operations will get confirmed automatically. That's what will happen. Okay, so now we'll see the next one, which is order operation confirmation. Operation confirmation. This is what do you say? You use a transaction CO11N. Okay, so you confirm each and every operation one after the other. In the meantime, just give me 1 minute. There are some settings needs to be changed. Just give me 1 minute.
So that means we can release the production order by production on
No, wait.
order operation.
Wait. Okay, so this is a production order. Some settings are these things are there. Just 1 minute. Okay, so now we'll do operation level confirmation. So in some industries, what happens is they will do the confirmation at operation level, one after the other. Okay, so for that I'll create one more order and we'll see operation confirmation. So I'm creating one more order. So I'm creating for again 100 kg. Okay, I'm creating batch. I'm checking for the materials. Oh, one more thing is that backflash settings are there, right? Just give me 1 minute. That is also will remove. Just 1 minute. C/N CA02. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so now I'll create one more production order, CO01. Okay, enter. I'm creating for 100 kg. Okay, done. I'm creating the batch, material availability check. Okay, now I'm releasing the production order. Okay, so production order release is carried out. Now save it. Okay, so now if you go to the production order display, so we have 3 operations in the production order, 1, 2, 3. So once they complete the first operation, they'll go to the system, they'll confirm that particular operation. Okay, so that for that you will be using the transaction code CO11N. You call it as a enter time ticket for production order. Okay, enter time ticket for production order. So here you'll enter the order number. You enter the order number. Where is the order number? You enter the order number. Okay, enter the production order number, and from the list you will be selecting the operations. So here see, system is showing you the 3 operations in the production order. So they will be confirming once the first operation is completed, they will select the first operation. Okay, and then they will click on this actual data button, propose actual data. They click on this button. So system will read the data from the operation and will propose all the data over here. Okay, now accordingly you will enter here. So let's say after the first operation completion, I got a yield of 99 kg. Let's say scrap is 1. So you enter that data, and you can enter actual timings also here. Suppose let's say my setup time is 1 hour, but my machine time is, let's say, 2.5 hours, and my labors used is, let's say, 6 hours. So those things they will enter here. Okay, you will select the relevant confirmation type, all those things they will enter, and even you can enter the actual start date, start time, end date, end time, all those things you can enter here. Okay, once all the data has been entered, you will save the operation confirmation. Okay, so your confirmation is set. As of now, we have confirmed only one operation, first operation. So the order status, if you check, if you go to the order, enter, see, order status is now partially confirmed. That means all operations not yet confirmed. So if you go to the I button, it's showing partially confirmed. That means order is not yet fully confirmed. Okay, so if you go to the operations, see, only the first operation is showing as confirmed. That means we have confirmed only first operation. Okay, so now once the second operation is completed, they'll again confirm the second operation. So here we will be doing operation wise confirmation. So you enter the production order number, again select the second operation. So now as a first operation is already confirmed, now it's not showing in the list. So you select the second operation, click on actual data. See, now as in the first operation we confirmed as 99 kg, now that system by default it is proposing the 99 kg. This is what we confirmed in the previous operation. So that's what 99 kg. So now you after the completion of second operation, let's say you got a yield of 98.5. So that you enter here. Okay, and you can enter other data, scrap, rework, as per the requirement. Enter, not a problem. So you enter all the remaining data, whatever you want, everything you can enter. Once all the data has been entered, you save the confirmation. So now we confirm the second operation. Now if you go to the order and check, if you go to the production order and check, you will be able to see the second order confirmation. Still the order status is header level, it is partially confirmed. But if you go to the operations, see, the second operation now got confirmed. Okay, so by looking at here you can tell which operations are confirmed, which operations are not confirmed. That means which operations completed, which operations are not completed. Okay, now let's confirm the last operation. So enter the production order number, we'll confirm the last operation. So I'm confirming the last operation. Okay, so the last operation, I'll keep the same yield. Okay, and I'm selecting final confirmation, and then you enter the remaining relevant data as per the requirement, all the data you can enter. Okay, and then we will finally save the production order, save the confirmation. So now your voice is breaking, Qureshi. We'll discuss in the end. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so now once all operations are confirmed, if you go to the order again, see, now order status is confirmed. That means all operations have been completed for the confirmation. Okay, so now if you go to the operations, see, now all operations are with confirmation status. So if all operations within an order are confirmed, then only its order header status will get changed to confirmed. Otherwise it will be in the PCNF status, partially confirmed. Okay, so this is how you will be confirming the order header level confirmation, operation level confirmation. Now one more option is there. We have called, they have given one more option,